This is the Govee Water Sensor, and the company claims it will give you instant alerts when water damage starts, saving you from expensive repairs. But after spending time installing and testing it around the house, I found there are a few things they don't tell you up front. Stick around, because by the end, I'll tell you if it's actually worth your hard-earned cash. Product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Govee Water Sensor is a smart home leak detection system made by Govee, introduced in recent years as part of their smart home lineup. It's designed for folks who want to monitor potential water damage, think basements, boiler rooms, underneath sinks, or behind washing machines, without paying for a full-blown plumbing system. Its key selling proposition? Instant alerts on your phone whenever water is detected, plus a loud local alarm to nail down leaks before they spiral. According to review sites like This Old House, Govee's kit earns its place as their best water leak detector overall.
Performance.
Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in everyday use? I placed one unit near a basement water heater and another at the back of the laundry room behind the washer. Right out of the box, the audible alarm shocked me a bit. Yes, you'll hear this thing if it goes off. When I intentionally let water drip onto the sensor plate to mimic a leak, the app pinged me within seconds, and the sensor sounded the alarm locally at the same moment. That immediate feedback is exactly what you want for a leak sensor. However, it wasn't flawless. The kit requires a small hub to connect the sensors to Wi-Fi, and during setup, I ran into the classic 2.4 GHz versus 5 GHz Wi-Fi hurdle, which slowed me down. Also, occasional alerts took longer if my phone was out of Wi-Fi range and only on cellular data. So if you're away and relying solely on push notifications, keep that in mind. In day-to-day use, meaning months of I hope nothing happens mode, it just sat there quietly until I tested it, which in this context is a good thing. Knowing it'll alarm if water shows up while otherwise disappearing into the background is exactly the point. Features and tech. Dual leak detection plates. The sensor doesn't just detect water pooling underneath it, there are also places to catch drips falling onto it. This means you're protected whether water rises or drops, so under a boiler pipe and behind your washing machine, both count. Why care? Because water damage doesn't always show up as a puddle, it might be a slow drip onto a floor behind something. This catches both. 100 decibel audible alarm plus push notifications. As noted in This Old House, the unit emits a loud sound locally and sends alerts to your phone. Why care? Even if your phone is off or you're sleeping, the local alarm buys you time, and when you're away, the push notification means you won't come home to surprise damage. Expandable multi-sensor hub setup. You can connect multiple sensors to a single hub, placing them in multiple spots around the house. Why care? One hub can cover all your danger zones, basement, laundry, kitchen, boiler room, rather than buying separate systems each time. Affordability and ease of setup. Reviewers say that, well, it's not perfect, the price to value is strong. From Smart Home Reviewer, the price is good enough for me to overlook the flaws. Why care? If you're budget conscious but still want smart home leak protection, this delivers. Design and build. Aesthetically, Govee kept it functional and unobtrusive. The sensors are compact, simple, round, flat modules you can stick on or place on the floor. The hub is small, though plug-in, which means it occupies an outlet. Reviewers call it a small square block about the size of an AC power adapter. Build-wise, it's plastic but feels solid for what it is. The real story is installation. You'll need to choose locations where Wi-Fi is reachable and make sure the hub is plugged in where signal is stable. In practical terms, placing the sensor under your cold water pipe is easy. Getting it behind a washer where the hub still connects might take a bit of trial. And yes, the local LED light on the hub will not turn off. Minor, but worth being aware of. Pros. Instant alerts plus loud alarm. Dual leak detection. Expandable system. Cons. Uses power outlet. Minor alert delays on cellular. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? If you're a homeowner or renter who's already felt the sting of water damage, or you're just realistic about the risk of leaks, then the Govee Water Sensor is a smart pick. It's especially compelling if you want multiple sensors spread out across danger zones without breaking the bank. But if you're in the install once, forget it camp and want something super premium with broad smart home integration, you might look at other higher-end systems. But if your goal is place this, hook it to Wi-Fi, go about your day, and sleep more peacefully, then this checks the boxes. Final sentence? If you want solid leak alarm protection at a reasonable price, and you're okay with a hub and the 2.4 GHz limitation, this is a very good value. Trust me, the peace of mind when you hear that alarm and your phone lights up is well worth it. So, that's my take on the Govee Water Sensor. What about you? Are you planning on picking one up or already have one in your house? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your setup or any places you're thinking of putting them. And if you found this review helpful, a simple thumbs up would be awesome. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.